I take. I take my vitamin D 5000 one time a week, and then this is another vitamin that I take. It's a multivitamin for women, and it's from where did I buy it from? Whole Foods. So I just started taking this a week now. I take one a day. I think I'm supposed to be taking two, but we're gonna figure it out. But yeah. Hey y'all, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. You already know who it is, so I don't need to say my name. But if you haven't already, go subscribe to my channel. And I want to give a big shout out to everybody that is new to my channel. So it is the morning time and I already took my shower. As you can see, I have like a two-piece on. I'll show y'all when I'm about to get up and go out. So basically, I am in my bathroom right now. I am about to do my hair. So this is a new hairstyle. As y'all can see, this is a quick weave. What? Is it a quick weave? No, actually I sold this in. See, I do my hair so much to the point that I be forgetting what I be doing to my hair, but I just know that it looks nice, okay? But anyway, I'm just gonna wet this. I need a towel. So this is like a loose wave or deep wave, I think it is here. It's by Unice. I will put the link down below, and so y'all can know what type of hair this is. And if y'all want to purchase it, y'all could go ahead and purchase it. So I just use this. This is a spray bottle. It has nothing in it. I know most people use the conditioner. I did have a wet and wavy spray, but I like the water better, only because it really doesn't, I don't like to put product in my hair, like any hair. And if I do, it will be just a little bit. So if I need like a little oil sheen or something, I'll definitely put it. But as y'all can see, it's getting back curly. I really love this hair. Oh my God. I cannot wait because I just ordered some more. I'm literally like spraying the back of my wall. But we're going to keep going because I need to wet this really good. But yes. I've been so busy the last couple of days handling stuff. I had a couple of meetings. Yeah, so I've been so busy. So I have content that I need to like put out. So watch out for these videos that's about to come back to back. Okay, y'all? It's about to be a new year, and you already know the saying about that. So I just have been extremely busy the last couple of days, and I had to focus, really focus on what I was doing just so I won't mess up. And everything is turning out so great for me, my family. So I had to really focus and get everything situated at home first, okay? You gotta get it situated at home first before you even try to do anything. So that's what I was doing, and I'm just truly like blessed. I'm just truly like blessed, and I'm happy that everything is like going so good. So I have no complaints. I'm just happy that the hard part is over. Hey y'all, so I am officially done. My hair is done. So I did put a little makeup on just because I have to go stop at my rent office, and you always want to look on point. So this is what I have on. I have like a sweater crop top with some pants. So these are like a velour type thing. But yes, I'm about to go run my errands right now. I have to go check my P.O. box, y'all. And if y'all didn't know, yes, I have a P.O. box. The link is down below. You're welcome to send me packages if you would like for me to show off your product, and so you could get more exposure or whatever. I love supporting everybody. So be sure to check out my P.O. box down below, and let me get it started so I could go on with my day. And yeah. So I am checking my P.O box to see if I have any surprising packages in my P.O box. This is my P.O box, y'all. 654. And if you want my full address to my P.O box is in the description. I always place it there. So let's see. Surprise! Yep, I got something. So now I am going to check the locker. It says, oops, my key fell. I am going to check the locker. I have to go to locker 1, which is right here. I'm so excited. Got a little package. Yep. Hey everyone, so I am back home. I had to do a couple of errands and I did majority of them. Thank you God for that. But I had to go and get some more stuff from Walmart for Thanksgiving, because y'all know Thanksgiving is coming up and I'm ready to grub. But I wanted to make sure that I have all of the main ingredients that I need, and then if I need anything else, you know, I'll go back the day before or on Thanksgiving. But I think that the stores are going to be closed on Thanksgiving. I don't know how it is out here, but anyway. So as y'all know, I got a P.O. box. I always leave the link in this in the description down below. I'm gonna place one right here on the screen for y'all. So if you have a small business and you would like for me to promote your business right now, you can definitely send me a sample of whatever you feel like is your best product, and I will definitely do a video and show off your product and definitely give you a shout out on my page. And if you want any further details, as in me supporting your business or anything that you have, you can definitely email me at my business email down below as well. But anyway, so I went to my P.O. box, y'all, and I had 2 packages. I'm going to show y'all what I had. So I had ordered some glasses from this website. So basically these are one of them, one of the pair of glasses that I had ordered as well. So I really love these glasses. It's just like a clear base glasses, and it's so cute. It has my prescription in it as well. So this is the website that I have found, well actually me and my sister found. You know what, let me just give her credit. My sister gave me it. So she ordered her glasses from off this site, and all you gotta do is have your prescription already in hand. So you could just type it in as in how you want your glasses. You want it tinted. They have so many different options of glasses, and they have so many different options of how you can get your glasses, as in like created or any little detailing. So anyway, this is my first time trying this out, y'all, and oh my God, these glasses feel so good. Like, I don't think I'm ever like going to an optical place unless I see something that I want. So these glasses feel so good on my face, and my other glasses are so old. So I was like, no, this gotta go. And the glasses that they was trying to offer me are ugly. I was like, no, I can't do these glasses. These are ugly, you know, whatever. So anyway, so I had got a few glasses from off this site. I will put the link down below. So we're gonna open this. Oh my gosh. Okay, yes, so we're gonna open this. And also I had got a little discount too, just because my sister referred me. But anyway, so they come like this. I bought like 4 pairs. They come in this little bag. And like I said before, they have all different styles. So you can just definitely pick what you want and then put your prescription. These are the first pairs that I'm showing y'all right now. It's just a little fun pair, something like this one, but it has like a lime green around it. These I found so cute, and it was very affordable. And these have my prescription in it as well. So those are my first pairs. And then they give you like these little tissues right here too. Tissue. So these are the second pair I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna order more, okay? So I have so many frames and so many other frames in my drawer that are designer. So I'm thinking about seeing if I could send my designer frames to them to see if they could put my lens in so I could start wearing them. These are a black pair that I have bought from them. They all have my prescription in them. This is so nice. I like the detailing up here. I think it's something similar to this one. I think it is the same one, but it's just in black. And it has like the little diamonds, if you could see right there. They are so cute, okay? So they gave me a $15 off card as well for the next time that I am going to purchase. I can use that and get $15 off my order. And you know I'm about to. You know I'm about to. So these but these are cute. I mean, I could rock these out. I just honestly, I don't know what I was thinking about. I'm not even gonna lie. But we gonna see if we gonna wear these. But like I said, they was very affordable. They have different designs. They have different colors, shapes. So y'all should just go check that website out. Like I said, I'm gonna leave a description down below showing y'all where to get some glasses from if you're a glasses person like me. And also too, they have shades. So that's another thing too. They have shades for the summertime. You can get your prescription within the shades. And yeah. And don't forget I put y'all on, okay? Soon I'm gonna get a sponsorship by them. I already feel it. I'm putting it out there. I'm gonna get a sponsorship, okay? But anyway, the next thing, hold on, let me put this away because I don't want to be messy. And let me make sure I get my coupon because I need this. I'm definitely gonna get some more. But anyway, so the next thing that I have got right here is some coffee that I have been using. Y'all know I'm a tea person, but I started doing this coffee method thing to lose weight and to curb my diet. So I'm gonna show y'all and then I'm gonna let y'all know where y'all can get it from. Oh my God, they packed it up so good. So y'all, I have this. This is a coffee called Javycoffee. It's liquid. So they, oh my God, I fell in love. When I mean, I was like, no, I gotta get some more. Like, so good. So good. So they give you these stencils to clean your coffee thing, and they give you these little straw things like when you make your coffee. This is so cute. Look at this little bag, y'all. So cute, so cute, so cute. So I'm going to show y'all the bottle. So this is a concentrated coffee that you could just put inside. And let me move this box. So this is a concentrated coffee, 100%, 30 servings in one bottle. Bam, y'all, bam, bam, bam. Don't forget I put y'all on, and this is so good, y'all. Y'all wouldn't even understand. Like, I was like, I'm just scooping because I'm like, you know what? I do need to start drinking coffee, or I need to change my diet. So for me, my doctor told me, like, you know, you could drink a little bit of coffee, and I thought about concentrated. So they had initially, she had told me about a brand, and I was like, I already tried a brand. So I was like, you know what, let me just do my own research. And I started researching. I came across Javy's concentrated coffee. They also have other stuff on their site that you guys should go check out, and it's all coffee. So let me just read the back to you. So it says, getting started, simply take 1 to 2 teaspoons of microdose and mix it with your favorite liquid for a perfect cup of coffee. So basically, this is something that you can mix in your coffee, and yes, I like it. I love it. Okay, so I tried it out. Well, actually, I have a half a bottle still left. So this is my second bottle right here that I'll play with like from time to time. Like, I'll not play with, but I will make coffee 2 times out of the week, because I don't want to like get fully back into doing it every day just yet, because I have other stuff going on that I'm like, you know, trying out right now as well. But so far, I'm not gonna lie to you, me and my husband been down in this bottle. So I said, let me just order another bottle of Javycoffee. Y'all can definitely check this out on their website. I will definitely leave the link down below. And also, I will definitely leave the discount code down below. And don't forget to mention that I sent you. So I'm about to go see what I want to put on, because I have not been going out because of my hubby's schedule. They need to change the schedule because this is not working and it's really affecting my life. Okay. So anyway, at the end of the day, I am going to figure out what I'm going to put on, and I'm gonna just leave that out. But let me go pick up my son real quick. Okay.